Who is that? Where's the bobblehead?
Dad.
What's his name?
Name. Body's in it.
Remember his name? What did we say? Go Chooch. Show me your bobblehead. Pick it up. Wow. Whoop.
He's big.
He's big? What's his name again?
Yeah, I did.
What's his name? Chooch.
Huge.
When we go to the baseball game, Sam?
Yeah.
When we go to Phillies, you're going to say, "Go Phillies."
Go.
And then when he gets up to bat, the whole stadium's going to go, "Chooch."